This is an especially crisp example of this large-sized Amiga Seamaster Chronograph wristwatch, which dates to circa 1972. The watch has a satin-finished grey dial. There are two subsidiary dials, and these are for constant seconds with a small black hand and 24-hour indication. And the 24-hour indication is shown by the light blue triangular marker, and this against the blue ring to the top. This is the night hours, and the lower ring underneath with a slightly darker grey tone. This is for the daytime hours. The subsidiary dial at 6 o'clock is for counting hours whilst the chronograph is running. And there are two central chronograph hands, so if we set the chronograph running, the seconds hand will start running, and then beneath is the minute recording hand. So this will count minutes as the chronograph is running. There's also an aperture for date, and then a metallic blue outer ring at the very edge of the dial is for the tachymeter. The large cushion-formed case has a satin finish to the bezel. There's an Amiga crown to the side, and a screw-down case back, which is engraved with the Seamaster logo. And there's also a steel Amiga buckle, and the watch is fitted to what's almost certainly the original black leather strap. As an automatic watch, the watch will wind itself as it's being worn. However, if it's laying dormant for a period of time and needs to be restarted, this can be done by using the crown. But first of all, if we reset the chronograph, so the upper pusher will stop the chronograph, like this, and then pressing the lower pusher will reset it. So if you want to manually wind the watch, just turn the crown away from you a few turns, which will be enough to get the watch started. Hand settings adjust in normal manner. Just pull the crown out, and you need to put it out to the second notch. You can then advance the hands to the desired time. The date will change each day at midnight like this, but there's also a fast date change facility. So if you just move the hands on a bit further, and then if you pull out to the first setting and turn the crown away from you, you can then advance the date manually until you reach the right date.